Hello, today I will be showing you how to create WeChat channel and link to official account. So all you have to do is to simply go to your WeChat account. Now you can see that option if you tap discover. Now if you can't see that feature channel here under discover, it is said that this feature is not yet available to some countries. Okay, so it's under testing or some other countries cannot have this feature for some reasons. Now, if you go to Discover and you can see that channel here, all you have to do is to simply follow what I'm going to tell you. By the way, if after tapping Discover you are unable to find channels, please do the most recent application update. If you still can't find it, you might need to tap channels after clicking Me, Settings, General, and Manage Discover. So once you see it, all you have to do is to click these channels here. So setting up your profile, in the top right corner of your WeChat channels feed, click the person icon to continue. Then at the bottom of your screen, click the camera button that says post video. Following that, you will be prompted to create your WeChat channel by entering the data such as your name, gender, region, profile image. And then after that, all you have to do is to click create. So that's all for now. In order to really understand this, you must have to make sure that channels is available in your country so you can proceed creating channel and link this to your official account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.